Hello and welcome to the STEM OK Workbench. This video series will help you design, build, and test your robot. In this video, we are going to cover the robot base provided in your kit. The base provided is an optional item if your team would like to use it. The robot base is the centerpiece of your robot, which other parts like motors, arms, batteries, and the brain could be attached. As you see here, the base provided is a U-shaped with 417 holes to attach other robot parts. Each of the holes is designed so the 3mm screws provided in your kit will sit below the surface of the base. This can allow you to mount items to both sides. When you consider designing robot parts that will attach to the base, you need to understand the spacing of the holes. The holes in your part will need to line up with the holes in the base. Looking at the drawing for the base, you can see the 3D view in the upper right corner. On the left side is a drawing of the base as viewed from above and viewed from the front. The dimensions show the base is 249mm by 249mm and has a U-shaped cutout that is 131mm wide and 160mm deep. The base is 10mm thick. The small dotted line circle is illustrated here at a larger scale so we can better see the details. This is called a detail view. In this detailed view, we can see the spacing between the holes is 10mm, and the spacing between the outer holes and the edge is 4.5mm. In the other detailed view, we can see a cutaway cross-section of the screw hole. Here, we can see that the widest part is 6mm in diameter and 1mm deep. This allows the head of the screw sit below the surface of the base. We can also see the hole tapers down to 3.35mm in diameter, over 1.33mm. This matches the profile of the screw. So, you should design your robot parts with this in mind. Let's also discuss the proper way to attach parts to the base. In your robot building kit, there are 3mm screws of varying lengths, flat washers, lock washers, and nuts. The screw goes through the base and the part you are attaching. Next, slide the flat washer over the other end of the screw and follow it with the lock washer. Lastly, screw the nut on just tight enough to compress the lock washer. Tightening any more could damage the base or the part you are attaching. The lock washer will keep the nut from accidentally coming loose and falling off. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, have your coach or mentor contact the STEM OK staff.